Yeah, YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. 2009 DOnruss Elite Baseball. Looking for a hot box. Every regular box has 6 hits. Every hot box, I believe, has 11, including one of those relics, which is always pretty cool. So if we hit a relic off the bat, we know that we hit a hot box. So good luck, guys. Move those packs up front there. Here we go, pack 1. All base. We got a blue die cut rookie of Jamie Johnson for the Tigers at a 200. Yeah, and you never know. No hit so far in 3 packs, so hot box is looking less and less promising, but we'll see. Even if we don't hit a hot box, if we get some nice rookie autos, that's always nice. Wow, that's really nice. As I said it, I actually haven't seen any of these autographed. This might be one of the case hits. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I haven't seen any of these autographed. This one is numbered out of 40 for the Braves. Mike Minor autograph. Mike Minor for the Braves. I believe he's on the Braves. But he's a solid pitcher, and I never saw any of those. Those are normally inserts. They're normally not autographed like that. College ties, Jordan Dinks and Brandon Belt. So it might be one of the case hits. Like, I don't know. Mariano's in the game. All base. This one must be a thick decoy. And it is. School colors, Aaron Baker. I have to check out all these teams also. All base. So we got one hit in what, 10 packs, 11 packs? I would love to pull a 1-of-1 die cut. Here's our next auto for the Giants. We have a Chris Dominguez, numbered out of 715 autograph. Auto number 2 of 6. Base. Mariano's about to close it out. I don't care what people say, but Mariano is the best closer in the history of Major League Baseball, and most people would not argue. Some people might say Trevor Hoffman, but I don't think so. Yesterday, or 2 days ago, Mariano came in with the bases loaded and no outs. And we pulled a gold. This one, wow, that's sick. Really nice, actually. For the Cubs, Brett Jackson, gold die cut. That's really nice. Numbered 3 out of 5. Check that out. Wow. Is that really that strong? I knew it was a great card, but they're saying 150. That's awesome. For the Cubs. I'm going to show that again. I knew it was a big card. I saw gold, 3 out of 5, and I knew he's big. A regular auto sold for, and we pulled at a 50 for the Reds. Keep moving on. A die cut of Jeff Fellhor for the Reds at a 50 die cut. That's awesome. So Brett Jackson, I was hearing a lot of things about him. Numbered 3 out of 5, gold die cut. Right as I said, I wish we pulled a 1-of-1 die cut. So, probably one of the biggest hits I pulled out of this product. I pulled some nice rookies out of this product, Elite. All base. I numbered at a 200 Dean Weaver for the Nationals, blue die cut. What up, Adam? Adam, we just pulled a Brett Jackson gold die cut auto, numbered 3 out of 5. Pretty nasty. Just saying. Eric Arnett and Josh Fegley. Insert 1 pack left. How many hits did we get? 2. Let me count the hits real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. We definitely got shorted hits, by the way. I'm going to go through the base on camera. But this better have a hit, and then even with this hit, we got shorted one. And this has no hit in it. Awesome. So we did hit that big card, but we're missing 2 hits. I'm going to go through all the base just to make sure I didn't miss anything. And then DOnruss will be getting a call. That's retarded. That's not... We've been getting shorted so much lately, too. It's so stupid. We've been getting shorted. The DOnruss Gridiron gear, last break we got shorted. The Leaf Certified we got shorted. And this one looks like it's shorted. 4 autographs. Unless that case hit makes up for an... I don't even know if it's a case hit. But autographs are Brett Jackson, which was absolutely nasty. Josh Fellahor, I might be pronouncing that wrong. Chris Dominguez, and Mike Minor, which was nice. We'll be back. GSNCards is out. Not happy with the missing hits.